FedEx guy just stopped in, and it looks like we got a whole bunch of new stuff. Very well packed. Sorry for the camera turn. We got our amino acids. Great choice. Can't wait for that. We got lots of good samples here. We got, oh, check this bad boy out. Apparently this is revolutionary, so I am looking forward to seeing how this goes. Yup, this is gonna be some great stuff. We got some, look at that, huh? Oh yeah, we got a lot of cool stuff right here. Lots of good samples coming in. Oh, we got something. I love order day. Look at this. Huh? See if we get the camera to focus. Nice. That's a big old bottle too. We're gonna try that shampoo out. That's actually for a customer. I'll see how they like it. What we got here? Upside down. And there's the conditioner that goes with it. All right. There's a whole other space in here. They do a great job packing this stuff. All right, there we go. We got another 12-pack of the excess energy drink variety pack. Those go fast. Those go really fast. Okay, kids, this is the stuff I was waiting for right here. What is this bad boy? There it is, the LOC, the OG of the Make It Water Wetter cleaners. This stuff's supposed to be pound for pound the best concentrate you can get on the planet, so super excited to see how that goes. Then we have right here a fabric softener, and that is going to couple with this big boy right here, which people are like, oh wow, that's got a pretty big price tag. Yeah, but you need 2 tablespoons compared to a giant ass cup of the other really overpriced stuff. So that's why you get 133 loads out of this one jug of laundry detergent. And if you look what's in there, I mean, this is natural stuff. You don't have to worry about putting harsh chemicals on your skin through your clothes. So super excited. It's time to get rocking and get orders filled. Can't wait for the next one.